Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you just a local updates for ICP potential trade for next week. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I mark the potential targets like global one. You remember? So it's conservative price target. I repeat, it's conservative price target. Just by my personal opinion. So it's around $33, $38. Next one is positive. Personally, for me, target it's 87, 89. 90 maybe. And if you believe in crazy high price targets, of course you can wait the next it's around $200. We'll see because I see in the comments, right, every single time when you post something about that, it's H-bar, ICP, Cardano, and I guess XRP, right? H-bar, Cardano, XRP, and ARA. Maybe Shiv. The fund base of this token is always, just literally always, if you say something not so bullish, not so super positive targets, they always complain about. So you spread the FUD. You spread the FUD. You don't understand the project. But guys, I always ask if the project's so good, why? It's always going down since the listing on the Binance. So the attached side of the ICP changed? No. So guys, it's not about what's going on the attached side of the project. It's about what's the market makers do with this token. So I mark also, guys, the this one, the local zones for support. Technically, this one gap done. So we can delete it. If we use on the daily time frame, this is like impulse. I guess we around 86 level by FIB. So if we use some like this bottom, this is a top, for example. Yes, we even sweep it this liquidity pool, right? We can delete it and now try and hold a line around this block. So this area, for speculation, on the spot, it can be the good one to buy. And how it can look in next few months. So if we zoom out to line chart, I always trying to use the line chart. We form something like this one. So just the basic. So this is a touch. This is like resistance level, right? The conservative targets for bounce, and it's possible to see this spring or this autumn. It can be 24, 25, 32. With a weak candle, it can be $37. So based on this FIB, so this is just a basic impulse, and we count with we count with a weak candle, and if we count with this one by line chart, you can find out. So here we trade inside 86 level by FIB. So this is usually, it's okay. It's more than enough, guys. Correction, 73% from the top. So we now logically accumulate ICP, not selling. Can we drop lower? Of course, guys. Of course, we can sell, but based on risk ratio, right now, it's a good time accumulate. 5, 10, 6, 30. So this block. I wish to see, of course, one more sweep of that low, form something like this one and go higher. The target will be exactly over $38. So this is just the local targets, what we can see. Just we got all noise, I'm not draw the trend line, because a lot of people draw the trend lines like this one, and we're breaking out after that. Here's the trend line. Now is here the trend line, and we once again can drop, sweep the liquidity, and going higher. The problem with the timing. Nobody knows, guys, the time. If we cut this one, FIB, delete this trend line, and work with the candles. Let's go to weekly. Here we formed the full fill. Under, I don't know. Here also the full fill of weekly gap. Under is $3.30. I don't know. What's the point to drop to $3.30? Also, we formed the full fill on the monthly. Next one is just this tiny one, $4.25. So I wish to see, of course, we hold the line, some sideways move, and after that we go higher. So this is a way. Let's take also, guys, here. This is an order flow. So this order flow, we test 50% of this order flow. Now we form this order flow. Sooner or later, we will form 50% of this one. After that, we can go like this. So guys, locally, now it's more bullish than bearish for ICP. AZ direction market move locally. Yes, we'll start accumulate. Accumulation, we're just in the middle, but I wish to see something like this one, some tiny divergence and go higher. So this is going to be the best case scenario. Total capitulation, total disbelief on market mood. It's good time to buy. Yes, of course, we can drop, guys, lower, but now based on risk ratio, it's a good time for accumulation. Trade on, money power, sell, buy. 5 signals to buy on daily, pump, sell. Close short, buy, recommendation, close position. That's why I wish to see this move. Now, let's check this one on money power indicator. Here was a money inflow 13 days ago at $5 round number, $5.01. So of course I wish to see this drop, one more money inflow and go higher. So this is what I wish to see, but it's not necessary, so we will see this one. And the weekly time frame, guys, take a look. This is what I would like to see. It's one more signal to buy. This was signal distribution, drop and buy back. Now no signal to buy back, but we got a money inflow. Yes, money inflow, $5.01, and around here, February 17, it was, take a look, the $6.55. 12-hour time frame, everything also good. So yes, I wish to see this last sweep. I say last one because we can't drop forever down, right? We dump it since March 2024. So it's a long-term period. Imagine 1 year, we are basically in a downtrend. That's why, guys, believe it or not, but anyway, sooner or later, the ICP will recover back. Even you can hate it, you can love it, but this is a basic price action. I'm not a fan of ICP. I totally don't care about this one. Talking like any other tokens, for me, just a pure speculation. For the value of this token, $4.35. I wish to see this drop, but I'm not sure we will see this drop down. Buy line on a daily 542, 541. For the value of $4.07. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see the test of the buy line, $4.30. For me, it's going to be the best entry to buy ICP, but I'm not sure they will give me this option. So guys, I hope you like this video. All local targets I showed you. If you like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.